Our journey begins approximately 4.5 billion years ago. Our solar system was a swirling cloud of gas and dust. Gravity pulled this material together. It swirled faster and faster, heating up. Eventually, the center ignited into our sun. The remaining debris, remnants of the sun's formation, orbited the newborn star. Over millions of years, these particles collided and stuck together. This process, called accretion, gradually formed the planets, including our own Earth. Early Earth was a hellish world. Its surface was a molten sea of magma, constantly bombarded by asteroids and comets. The atmosphere was a toxic cocktail of gases. It was a place of intense heat, volcanic activity, and constant upheaval. Life, as we know it, was unimaginable. As Earth cooled, something remarkable happened. Water vapor, trapped in the planet's interior, was released through volcanic eruptions. This vapor condensed in the cooler atmosphere, forming clouds. For millennia, torrential rains lashed the Earth's surface. These rains, relentless in their intensity, filled the planet's vast basins. Oceans, initially shallow and scalding hot, began to take shape. Over time, they cooled, creating a more stable environment. Simultaneously, a primitive atmosphere, composed mainly of nitrogen and carbon dioxide, began to envelop the planet. The emergence of oceans was a pivotal moment in Earth's story. It was within these warm, nutrient-rich waters that life as we know it emerged. Around 3.5 billion years ago, the first single-celled organisms, simple prokaryotes, appeared. These early life forms were incredibly resilient. They adapted to the harsh conditions, harnessing energy from the sun through photosynthesis. This process over time released oxygen into the atmosphere. As oxygen levels rose, more complex life forms, such as eukaryotes, could evolve. These early organisms were the building blocks of all life to come. Section 4, Rise and Fall of Giants. The age of dinosaurs and their demise. Life on Earth continued to evolve at an astonishing pace. From the oceans, life ventured onto land. Plants colonized the continents, followed by insects and amphibians. Then came the reptiles who, during the Mesozoic era, diversified into an incredible array of creatures. This was the age of the dinosaurs. For over 180 million years, dinosaurs dominated the planet. They evolved into colossal herbivores, like the Brachiosaurus, and fearsome predators, like the Tyrannosaurus rex. However, their reign came to an abrupt and catastrophic end 66 million years ago, when a massive asteroid slammed into Earth. The impact triggered widespread wildfires, tsunamis, and a global dust cloud that blocked the sun, leading to a mass extinction event. Section 5, the human era. From early hominids to the Anthropocene. In the wake of the dinosaurs' extinction, mammals, who had lived in the shadow of the giants, were given a chance to thrive. They diversified and evolved, occupying the ecological niches left vacant. Among them were the early primates, our distant ancestors. Over millions of years, these primates evolved, developing larger brains and complex social structures. Around 2.5 million years ago, the first members of the genus Homo emerged in Africa. These early humans learned to make tools, control fire, and communicate through language. They spread across the globe, eventually giving rise to our species, Homo sapiens, approximately 300,000 years ago. With the advent of agriculture and civilization, humans' impact on the planet intensified, marking the beginning of the Anthropocene epoch, a new geological age defined by human influence. Section 6. Earth's uncertain future, a crossroads of possibilities. Today we stand at a crossroads. Our actions are transforming the planet at an unprecedented rate. Climate change, driven by our reliance on fossil fuels, is already causing sea levels to rise, weather patterns to become more extreme, and ecosystems to collapse. The future of Earth and of humanity hangs in the balance. Will we continue down a path of unsustainable consumption, leading to further environmental degradation and potentially our own demise? Or will we choose a different path, one that embraces sustainability, conservation, and a harmonious relationship with our planet? The choices we make today will determine the fate of generations to come. We have the power to shape the future of Earth for better or for worse.